Hi guys, today in your video we are going to talk top interesting facts on animals. Fact number 1. Immortal animals. Did you know that one species of jellyfish is immortal? Yes, immortal. The species name is Turriposidonia. Turriposidonia is only about 4.5 millimeter or 0.18 inches. Fact number 2. Current animals. A full grown electric eel can generate about 600 volts of electricity. You know that current that comes from electric eel can one time it can start 50 cars, but don't plan it to keep in your house for free bill. Fact number 3. Did you know that squirrels are responsible for planting thousands of trees worldwide? Squirrels play an important role in our environment in many ways. Did you know that these furry animals plant thousands of years every year? Yes, due to the simple forgetting where they buried the nuts. I thought that I am only the forgettable person in the world, but these animals proved it very wrong. Fact number 4. Did you know that we share our 70% of our DNA with slugs, 98.8% with bonobos and chimpanzees, 98.4% with gorillas, and 99% with pigs? Amazing, right? Fact number 5. Did you know that jellyfish, bullfrog, insects, as ants, sea urchins, baby dolphin don't need sleep? In fact, they cannot sleep. But don't try not to sleep. Fact number 6. Did you know that octopus have 3 hearts, 9 brains and blue blood? Yes, and leeches have 32 brains, 300 teeth and 5 pair of eyes. Yes, amazing, right? Fact number 7. Did you know that bats are the only mammals that can fly and they can eat 1,000 insects per hour? Yes. Fact number 8. Did you know that the venom of king cobra is so deadly that in just 1 gram of it is enough to kill a person 150 times over? Yes, and even blue ringed octopus is also as venomous as it. If it bites, you can die in just 30 minutes. Fact number 9. Did you know that blue whale can whistle up to 188 decibels? That can be heard at a distance of over 500 miles or 800 kilometers in seawater. Means underground. Note it. Means when we talk, we just emit 10 decibels of sound. But when blue whale whistle, it emits 188 decibels of sound. Question of the day. Now can you calculate and tell how much blue whale can emit sound in ground, not in underground? Comment below. Fact number 10. Who do you think is the best actor? Shah Rukh Khan? No. Salman Khan? No. I'm talking about animals. Yes, an animal named Eastern hognose snake. This snake is non-venomous, but if it got danger, first it would bite the prey. Next is the highlight trick. It would act as if it died. Yes, first it would keep his tongue out and act like it is dead, as you can see in the video. He deserves an Oscar award for this.